Drivers must drive on the wrong side of the road on Mexican Mountain Road, even without having to drive on the other side of the road. Negotiating tight turns on twisting mountain roads is challenging enough. Cumbres de Acultzingo, also known as Acultzingo Heights, is a hilly region in Mexico's Veracruz state that is traversed by a winding road that is famously challenging for truck drivers to travel owing to its tight turns. Someone thought of the concept of swapping up the lanes in these challenging areas since heavy cars couldn't descend down some of these turns without getting on the inner lane and creating numerous accidents. Driving on the Serra de Acultzingo, as the route is currently known, requires careful attention to the road markings and driving on the incorrect side of the road when instructed to do so. If you like this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. You'll notice obvious road signs that state opposing curve section begins, along with lines on the asphalt indicating that you need to transfer to the opposite lane before you have to execute the so-called lane dance of Acultzingo. However, performing it in real time as cars are heading directly toward you in the opposite way will make your pulse race the first time you pass through Acultzingo Heights. The Serra de Acultzingo's sharpest curves are typically when the lanes are changed, making it simpler for large trucks to turn. In fact, some sources claim that this peculiar practice has reduced accidents on this route. It is better to navigate Acultzingo's mountain bends during the day and at times when fog isn't a concern, since visibility of the lane dancing signs can mean the difference between life and death. Even if the system's seeming complexity seems to function as planned. Although the speed limit on this narrow route is often relatively low, a head-on accident is always deadly, let alone when it occurs on a mountain road. Thank you for watching.